Cell cycle. Yesterday we have discussed about the phases of mitotic, meiotic division 1, or it is called as reductional division. In that we have discussed about prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. In that prophase 1 we have discussed about leptotype or leptonema, zygotype or zygonema, pachygyne or pachynyma, diplotyne or diplonema, and diakinesis. We have stopped to diakinesis. Diakinesis. The bivalent chromosomes become more condensed. Bivalent chromosomes means two bonded chromosomes or two DNA chromosomes get condensed. Bivalent chromosome gets condensed. And next, the nucleus separated from the nuclear organism and finally disappears. Nucleolus separates and later disappears. The chiasma moved towards the ends of the chromosomes and the intermediate chiasma diminished. Such movement of chiasmata is known as chiasma terminalization. Means the movement of chiasma or chiasmata is known to be chiasma terminalization. Terminalization. Chiasma terminalization means the process of movement of chiasma which is attached to chromosomes or gets diminished or disappears. Such movement of chiasma are known to be chiasma terminalization. Chiasma terminalization. And the next, these are we can see in Prophase 1. And the next is Metaphase 1. And the next is Metaphase 1. In this Metaphase 1, you can observe the homologous chromosome pairs means tetrad, means three chromosomes aligned at equatorial plane, means join at equatorial plane of the dividing cells, and each homologous pair attached to spindle petals produce kinetochore. Each pair gets attached to produce kinetochore. And the next is anaphase 1. Anaphase 1, you can see the homologous pair of chromosomes is pair of chromosomes, not sister chromatids, are pulled to opposite poles of the cell by spindle fiber. Pair of chromosomes or homologous chromosomes pulled to opposite poles of the cell by spindle fiber. Each daughter cell at the point of chromosome each contains two sister chromatids. Each contain two sister chromatids. The sister chromatid remain together during meiotic anaphase 1 and separate during the second round of meiotic cell division. In meiotic anaphase 1, each chromosome of paternal origin separates from homologous chromosome of maternal origin. Separation of homologous chromosome during meiosis is called disjunction. Means the separation of homologous chromosome is called disjunction. Disjunction means in this anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes, pair of chromosomes pulled towards the opposite poles by spindle fibers, and each chromosomes contain two sister chromatids, and separation of homologous chromosomes during the meiosis is called to be as, or is said to be as, disjunction. It is anaphase 1. And the next is telophase 1. Telophase 1. In this telophase 1, you can see the nuclear membrane is found around each nucleus of daughter cells. Nuclear membrane formed each nucleus of daughter cells. Around each nucleus. And next, at the point, each chromosome still consists of sister chromatin joined and centromere. The cell divides through cytokinesis in two daughter cells. Each of daughter cells receives the nucleus containing the haploid number of chromosomes. Each daughter cells receives nucleus containing the haploid number of chromosomes. Means nuclear membrane is found around the each nuclei of sister chromatid or the daughter cells, and each daughter cells receives the nucleus containing the haploid number of chromosomes. And the next we can see meiotic cell division 2. Meiotic division 2 or equatorial Equatorial division. In general, the meiotic division to orbital division is similar to mitosis, except that it is not produced or preceded by round of DNA replication. The division of haploid cells occurs during meiotic division to rather than diploid cells of, as in case of mitosis. In this, haploid cells haploid cells are produced or divided in this meiotic division too. There are following phases which we can see as prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. Firstly, we can see one by one. Prophase 2. The centriole migrate to opposite poles and spindle apparatus is formed. Means centriole means center of the chromosome. The centrioles migrate to opposite poles and forms spindle apparatus. And in metaphase 2, the chromosomes line up along the equatorial plane. Chromosomes line up along equatorial plane. The chromosomes line up along equatorial plane means the center of a cell. Anaphase 2. It is the shortest phase of meiosis, and the sister chromatids are separate and pulled to opposite poles by spindle fibers. Sister chromatids pulled to opposite poles by spindle fibers. And the last one is telophase 2. The nuclear membrane is formed around each new haploid nucleus. Cytokinesis results in formation of two daughter cells. Cytokinesis results in formation of two daughter cells, and thus in the process meiosis four haploid cells are produced from single diploid cell. Thus in this process from single diploid cell four haploid daughter cells are formed. Daughter cells are formed. This is about prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. What's there? Meiotic cell division, and meiotic cell division 2, it is also known as equatorial division. Means all the chromosomes after the cell division comes to the equatorial and joins as a plane of chromosomes. And in this meiotic cell division too, haploid cells are produced or haploid number of chromosomes are we can see. In this meiotic cell division 2 or equatorial division, there are substages or subphases. They are prophase 2, metaphase 2 and anaphase 2 and the telophase 2. There are 4 phases in meiotic cell division 2. In this meiotic cell division 2, the first one comes the phase are prophase 2. In this prophase 2, the centrioles migrate towards the opposite poles and spindle apparatus is formed. Means the centrioles, this is the chromosome, this is the centriole or centromere, this is the telomeres, this is the fragment. During this prophase 2, this centriole migrate to opposite poles and spindle apparatus is formed. Means this centriole, assume that this is a cell, this is a kinetochore, these chromosomes centrioles are pulled to the opposite poles and forms the spindle apparatus. This is the equatorial plane. In this prophase, the centrioles are pulled to opposite poles and forms the spindle fibers or the spindle apparatus. In metaphase 2, the chromosomes line up along the equatorial plane. Means this is the cell. The chromosomes comes and arrange in the center of the cell or in the region of equator or equator. Means in the center of chromosome or center of cell, the chromosomes are arranged in a sequence manner or in a plane manner. This type of arrangement we can say as a equator or equatorial plane of the chromosomes. It is seen in the phase of metaphase 2 and the next is anaphase 2. Anaphase 2, it is the shortest phase throughout the meiotic cell division phases. The anaphase 2 is the shortest phase of meiosis, and in this cell division, after the cell division, the sister chromatids are separated and pulled. Sister chromatids means the single chromatid are pulled to opposite poles. Pulled to opposite poles means this is the one and this is the one chromatid. It is pulled to one side and it is pulled to lower side. Means opposite to one another. The two sister chromatids are pulled to opposite poles by the spindle fibers. The spindle fibers are arranged in this state. The next is telophase 2. The nuclear membrane is formed around the new haploid nucleus. The cytokinesis results in formation of two daughter cells. Cytokinesis results in formation of two daughter cells. Thus, in the process of meiosis, 4 haploid chromosomes or daughter cells are produced by single diploid cell. Single diploid cell is formed by four total haploid cell. And this is the four phases of meiotic cell division 2: prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. And the next, we can stop here.